Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into a recent update on Roblox that allows you to enable microphone access on your PC. If you're ready to get into voice chat and communicate with friends in a whole new way, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Roblox website. Just type in the URL and hit enter. Once the page loads, you'll be all set for the next step. Now that you're on the Roblox site, take a look at the web address bar. Right next to the URL, you'll see a small icon that represents the site information. Click on that icon. This will open a drop-down menu where you can find various site settings. Next up, click on Site Settings. This is where you'll manage the permissions for the Roblox site, including microphone access. In the Site Settings menu, locate the section labeled Permissions. Here, you'll find the microphone settings. Click on the drop-down menu next to Microphone and ensure that it's set to Allow. This change will enable Roblox to access your microphone so you can speak to other players seamlessly. And that's it. You've successfully enabled microphone access on Roblox. Now you're ready to enjoy voice chat with friends and immerse yourself in the gameplay like never before. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks on Roblox and other gaming updates. Happy gaming and have fun chatting.